Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is April and I make sewing and DIY fashion videos every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe and notifications button so you never miss out on a new video. This week, I'm going to show you how to recreate this Gucci skirt that retails for $4,500. I purchased 2 yards each of 5 different cotton fabric, and each fabric ranged from $5 to $10 a yard. So in total, I spent roughly $80 to $90 for all of this fabric to make this skirt. This definitely is not a cheap project to make, but it beats paying $4,500 for the Gucci skirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. First, we need to create the underskirt, which is what all the ruffled layers will be sewed on. The shape of the Gucci skirt looks A-line, so I'm cutting out a quarter circle skirt, and I didn't have enough fabric to cut one whole piece, so I cut 2 pieces, added seam allowance, and sewed one side closed. I'm using a lightweight lining fabric, but actually wished I used something heavier because once all the layers are sewn on, it gets really heavy. Since the skirt has 5 tiers, I evenly divided it into 5 sections. Then continue evenly marking lines across each section so you have a guideline to sew the layers on. Next, measure each tier and times it by 3. I originally tried 2 times, but it didn't look gathered enough, so 3 times it is. Now that we have our measurements for each tier, we now know how much fabric to cut and piece together for each layer. I determined the length of each ruffled layer by adding 3 inches to the tier, making it 10.5 inches for me. Depending on how tall you are, this measurement will vary. For the top tier, I found a tiny rose print fabric. For the second tier, I'm using a large floral print fabric. For the third tier, I went with a blue floral fabric. For the fourth tier, I'm using a cream-colored budding rose fabric. And for the fifth and final tier, I'm using a pink cherry print fabric. All of these fabrics are cotton, and I try to choose colors and prints that matched closest to the Gucci skirt, which made it a mission to find. The tiers that need more fabric, you'll have to sew pieces together to make it longer. Before gathering each layer, hem the top and bottom of each piece. A huge portion of this project was hemming these long pieces. Once all the layers are hemmed, I sewed 2 rows of basting stitch along the top and gathered each piece. Be gentle while you're doing this because the last thing you want happening is for the thread to break and all your gathering undone. Now we can finally assemble all the layers onto the underskirt. Starting with the top tier, I evenly spread out the gathers along the waist and sewed it down. Then continue evenly spreading each gathered layer over the underskirt and sew them together along your guidelines. I wanted to share some mistakes I made. For some reason, my line markings for each tier didn't match up, so when sewing the zipper seam closed, the ruffles did not line up with each other. Because of this, I had to seam rip it, realign the layers, and stitch them back in place. It was not fun. So to avoid all of this, make sure the lines on your underskirt are matched up when you fold it in half, and take the time to pin all your ruffles on and see if it matches up first at the center back before permanently sewing it closed. I also think it's because my lining fabric moved around a lot, so that probably contributed to the ruffles not lining up. Next time, I would break apart my underskirt into 4 different skirt panels so the lines are created from the seams instead of marking the lines myself. Or use an underskirt fabric that is not too stretchy. To make the waistband, I cut a rectangle piece that is 4 inches wide and the size of my waist. I also interfaced it to make it durable enough to hold the heavy layers of fabric. Pin the waistband right sides to the skirt and sew it together. Afterwards, press the waistband in half and press the seam allowance underneath to hide the raw edges of the waist seam. Before sewing the waistband down, I attached the invisible zipper. Now we can tuck the top of the zipper tape in between the waistband and stitch in the ditch the waistband closed. And I'm finished. Here is my version of the $4,500 Gucci skirt.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me.
Gathering a skirt does not seem very complicated, but with the amount of fabric and all the different layers you're working with, that is the real challenge. It took me a really long time to hem all of this fabric and also to level each tier so it's lined up evenly. Overall, I'm super proud of how the skirt turned out. I think it looks so much like the Gucci skirt, except it cost me way less money to make. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what expensive item you want to see me recreate next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!